Now let us see exercise 5.3 ninth question. Now see the question. Find the equation of the median and altitude of triangle ABC through A where the vertices are A point that is 6, 2, B point that is minus 5, minus 1 and the C point 1, 9. Okay. So here in triangle ABC, first you have to draw one triangle and you know that name is ABC. The A point, what is it? 6, 2 and the B point that is minus 5, minus 1 and then C point that is 1, 9. Okay, so the first you draw the triangle that make the letter ABC. You know the 3 points, A point, B point and the C point. Okay, so then afterwards here two equations you are going to find out. The first one, median. Then through the point A, the median equation, what is it? After through the point A, the altitude equation, what is it? So these two equations you are going to find out. So median means you know that is midpoint. Okay, so through the point A, how to draw the midpoint, so that equation you need to find out. So the next one, through the point A, so the altitude means you know that is height. Okay, so through the point altitude, so that equation also you need to find out. Now see, already we have drawn the triangle ABC, the points also already we marked. Now through the point, this is the point A, through the point the median means nothing but midpoint. So through the point A, here only you can draw. Okay, so the midpoint you can consider as a M, midpoint, median. Okay, so that you can consider as a M. So which equation they have asked to find out? This equation only they have asked to find out. Okay, so through the point A, so the midpoint, this point dividing which line? This BC line only, the point is dividing. Okay, so this midpoint, the BC line, this is the midpoint. Okay, so now which equation they have asked to find out? First one, through the point A, the median equation. So through the point A, this is the median line. Median line means the midpoint of the line BC. Okay, so through the point A, like that only you can draw. So now this equation they have asked to find out. So this equation you need to find out that already we know that the various forms you have seen. So slope and intercept, if y-intercept if you know means slope intercept formula you can apply. 2 points if you know means 2-point form you can apply. Afterwards like that, slope and the slope and then 1 point if you know means that form you can apply. But in this equation if you want to find out mean A to M, so this equation you need to find out, this straight line equation you need to find out mean already 1 point you know that. Okay, so that point is 6, 2. Here one more point if you know means you can use it the 2-point form. That formula if you apply mean you can get this equation of a straight line. Okay, so that AM, this straight line equation you can get it. But here this point how you can find out? You know that this is the midpoint of which line? BC line. Okay, so then BC point, so this midpoint, so how will you find out? BC line only, that point is dividing. Okay, so then which formula you can apply? This point you need to find out means this is a midpoint, so this point you need to find out mean B and C. B point you know that, C point you know that. The midpoint formula can you apply here or not? Then you can get it the M value. So afterwards A point you know that, M point using the midpoint you can get it. So then you can apply the 2-point form, then you can get it this straight line equation. So can you apply or not? Now write the solution. First you have to write given in triangle ABC what are the points you have to write. So the first one you need to find out equation of a straight line, that median through the point A, median, that equation you need to find out. So here equation of the median through the point A. So here A point already you know that, M point only we need to find out, that is the midpoint of BC line. Okay, so then you can apply the midpoint formula. So that is M is equal to, M is the midpoint of BC. Okay, so this point is the midpoint of BC. So you can apply the formula M is equal to x1 plus x2 comma y1 plus x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Okay, so then B and C, this point only. Okay, so this is x1, this is y1. Okay, so this is x2, this is y2. So then can you apply that points? So x1 here what is it? Minus 5 plus x2 here what is it? 1. Okay, so divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 means y1 here what is it? Minus 1 and then y2 that is 9. Okay, so then after simplify that M point you have got it, so that is minus 2 comma 4. So this M point you have got it, that is minus 2 comma 4. Now they have asked to through the point A, this midpoint equation only they have asked to find out. So here 1 point you know that, here 1 point you know that. So if you know the 2 points means you can use it the 2-point formula you can apply. Okay, for find outing the equation of this straight line. So now write equation of AM. So this AM equation only you are going to find out. AM is A point, already you know that A point, that is 6 comma 2. M point mean now only we have got it the midpoint, and the M point mean the midpoint of BC only. So now only we have got it the M point, that is minus 2 comma 4. Now can you apply 2 points if you know mean? This is the formula to find out the equation of a straight line, that is y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So I know that this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So then can you apply here or not? Y minus y1 means 2 divided by y2 minus y1 means 4 minus 2 is equal to x minus x1. X minus x1 here, what is it? 6 divided by x2 minus x1 mean minus 2 divided by 6. Okay, so now if you denominator you can simplify. Y minus 2 divided by 2 is equal to x minus 6 divided by minus 2 and minus 6 if you are adding, so what it will come? So minus 8. Now see, after simplification, so here then in between equal to you have, so then cross multiply you can do it. So this with this one and this with this one you can multiply. So minus 8 into this part, y minus 2 is equal to 2 into this part, x minus 6. So then can you multiply inside? So minus 8 into y, that is minus 8y. Then after minus 8 with minus 2, so minus minus it will become plus, so 8 2s are 16 is equal to, here also 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into 6, that is minus 12. Then the next one here, that x part is the plus part in this side only you have. So then this two parts you can bring it on that side. So 2x, this minus 8y, if you take it on that side, that is plus 8y. Here already in that side minus 12 only. So the minus 12, this plus 16 if you transpose on that side, that is minus 16. So minus 12 and minus 16 if you are adding, that is minus 28 is equal to 0. Now see here, this all the times 2 is common. So 2, can you make it outside? 2 1 is 2, so the remaining it will come plus 2 4s are 8, 4y minus 14 2s are 28. Okay, so is equal to 0. This 2 if you take it on that side, so 0 divided by 2, you know that 0 only it will become. So then what equation you have got it? X plus 4y minus 14 is equal to 0. So this is the through the point A median equation, A to M. Okay, so the line name is AM. So the next one you need to find out next equation, altitude through the point A. So equation of altitude through the point A means, again I have drawn, but one time you can draw this one. Okay, so now here, now see here, A is equal to 6 comma 2, everything you know that. This equation already you have got it. Okay, so A to M through the point A. So this equation already you have got it. This is the equation of that straight line. Okay, so next they have asked through the point A altitude. Altitude mean height only. So the height mean this is perpendicular only, 90 degree only it will come. Okay, so the altitude means height of this through the point A. This here only we can draw. Okay, so now see here how you can find out this equation. Now we are going to find out A to height, what is the equation, but one point you know that. Next to one point or one slope if you know means you can find out. Here the M point is midpoint of BC, so then you applied the midpoint formula, then you have got it this answer, but this is not a midpoint, so this is the height. Okay, so then here you cannot apply the midpoint formula, this is not a midpoint, this A height, that is the height, altitude. Okay, so the height, so one point already know that. Here one point or slope if you know means you can apply that formula. Here the point it is not possible to get, but the slope, because the altitude means this 90 degree. Okay, so this 90 degree means this line is perpendicular to this line, so this AH line is perpendicular to BC line. So already you know that if these two lines are perpendicular mean their slopes are the product of their slopes minus 1 only. So then this line slope, how we can find out? 2 points you know that. So that slope, can use it the formula 2 points if you know means how will you find out the slope? This line and this line. Okay, so both lines are perpendicular, so their slopes are their product of their slopes are minus 1. So this line first find out the slope, because we know that 2 points. So then how will you find out the slope of this BC line? Okay, so that you know that what is the formula? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this formula can you apply? This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. So then you can apply here y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is one slope. After the next, this line, which two lines are perpendicular? BC line is perpendicular to AH line. So BC line, a slope we have got it. Okay, using that formula, because 2 points BC, you know that, B point and C point. But that AH if you want to find out mean here one point only you know that, but this one you don't know. But the both one perpendicular means that their product is minus 1 only. So this slope we don't know. So that one only we need to find out. So m into, but this slope, you know that there are 2 points they have given. So using this formula, you have got it, this one is equal to both one. Their product is, that is minus 1. So m into, so 9 plus 1, that is 10, divided by 1 plus 5, that is 6, is equal to minus 1. So you can simplify this one, 6 and 10, 5. 5 2s are 10. 3 2s are 6. So m into 5 by 3 is equal to minus 1. M is equal to, so this while I transposing on that side, it will become reciprocal. So that is 3 by 5. So now this and this you can multiply. So m is equal to minus 1 into 3, minus 3 divided by 5. Now slope you have got it. This slope for what is it? This line slope only. Okay, this line slope only. This line slope already you have got it. These two lines are perpendicular. So their product is minus 1. So now using that formula, you have got it, this slope you have got it. That slope, you know that this line equation only we need to find out. Through the point A, the altitude equation only we need to find out. So this line, one point, you know that one slope, now only we have got it. Okay, so then what formula you can apply here? Equation of AH is point slope formula. Can you apply here or not? One point, you know that, one slope, you know that. So then you can apply that formula, point slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So then y minus y1, here what is it? This is x1, this is y1. So y1, that is 2, is equal to m value minus 3 by 5. So minus 3 by 5 into x minus 6. This 5, can you bring it on that side? So that 5 into this divisions part. So while I transposing that side, it will become multiplication. So 5 into y minus 2 is equal to this, multiply with the inside. Okay, so the next one, 5 also multiply with the inside. So you have got it, this one. So next, can you arrange it? Here this side, if you want to bring it all the terms, means here minus 3x you have. So better you have to bring it all the terms in that side. So here minus 3x, while transposing on that side, it will become plus 3x. Here the plus 5y. Here my minus 10 already you have in this side. Then plus 18, if you transpose on that side, that is minus 18. So minus 10 and minus 18, so that is minus 28 is equal to 0. So this is the equation through the point A, the altitude equation. Okay, so thank you.